everyone, in today's video I am going to walk you through how to remove app lock from Bitget wallet app. Now, since the lock on Bitget wallet app primarily relies on your password and seed phrase, there isn't a separate traditional lock feature to disable. Here's how to understand and manage the security. Now, the password you set during wallet creation is the primary access control. To remove this, you would essentially have to share your password, which is highly discouraged. If you forgot your password, you need to use your seed phrase to recover your wallet. You can change your password within the app settings. Now, your seed phrase is the master key. If someone has your seed phrase, they can access your wallet regardless of the password. Therefore, never share your seed phrase. To remove the security of the seed phrase would be to share the phrase, which is extremely dangerous. If you're using device level security, that is PIN, password, or biometric, you can disable those features in your device's setting. However, this is generally not recommended as it weakens the overall security. Now, the biometric authentication within the Bitget app can be disabled within the app settings. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below.